Let's start this session. Hello, everyone. My name is Dave Karlekar, and I hope you all are doing great this beautiful Tuesday evening. I welcome you to another introductory IT training session at Guru Schools. Thank you so much for investing your time today. The topic for today, on which we will be having an introductory session, is Business Analysis and Agile Scrum Master Training Course. It's an introductory session. At Guru Schools, it's our top 3 most popular training track. The reason it is popular, for a few reasons. Number 1, it is very easy to learn. Number 2, it is very easy to secure a job. And number 3, it helps you to make about 6-figure salary. Okay. Every single Fortune 5000 client in the USA, as well as every client across the globe, require business analyst, requires an Agile Scrum Master. So needless to say, from a career opportunity standpoint, it is much in demand, and that demand will continue. What are the prerequisites for this track? Needless to say, English communication skills, which most of us have it, written and spoken. Super user for Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And then the desire to earn a 6-figure. If you have these 3 things, we will help you get a job. Okay? Please come with an open mind, willingness to learn, have a fire in the belly. This is one of the most easiest track which you'll be learning. Okay? Let me give you a backdrop about Guru Schools. As the name suggests, it's a modern marketplace in the form of ancient Gurukul, right? Once you come to us, you will be a rockstar candidate. We strongly believe education is that one strength. Once it comes to you, it stays with you forever. And by sharing, it grows multifold. So at Guru Schools, we bring a world-class information technology education to the ambitious people such as yours by giving you a good blend of theoretical as well as practical experience. For some of you who have some other experience working in the America in some role, some shape and form, this will be a good way of upskilling yourself towards getting into corporate America. Okay. At Guru Schools, we are known for our 6 pillars. So what are the 6 pillars which you will always hear from us? Okay. So the pillar number 1 is very easy, 6 to 8 weeks of training. So this particular track, because it's a combo track, business analysis as well as Agile Scrum, it will be about 8 weeks of training. The second pillar is course completion diploma certificate. You will be awarded a course completion diploma as a part of the offering, something which you can write in your resume that you have a diploma certificate in business analysis and Agile Scrum. The third pillar is very important, reference ready resume preparation. For many of you who do not have a career, you will be able to teeth in to some of our internal projects, to some of our ongoing projects, which gives you an opportunity to get a live hands-on experience. Both our trainers are lateral hires, they're working in corporate America, corporate India. So you're getting that first-hand information. And that's something which you'll get exposed to, and that's something you can write in your resume. The fourth pillar is vendor interview preparation. We have been in the business for the last 22 years. We work with all major Indian outsourcing companies as well as the US preferred vendors. Relationship, trust. So they're basically talking to you for a few reasons. Number one, because of Guru School's offering. Number two, we are a minority-owned business. Number three, as our planned hiring locals, hiring women in STEM, they are talking to you. Because end of the day, they know with the help of our trainers and with the help of our training, each one of you will have a prospering career. The fifth pillar is client interview preparation. Many of our consultants are already working at these clients. The vendors also having a global deployment that helps us to better understand the client environment. And once we understand the client environment and the client expectation, it's easy to prepare yourself for the interview rather than going blindfolded. And that helps you to get a job. So getting a job is not that much difficult. It's like a red carpet walk-in. We have our consultants know what the client is looking for. You also is aware of that. You prepare yourself, get your best shot and get a job. Then comes the sixth pillar, which is ongoing project support. So for 6 months of your project, we stay with you, our trainer shadows with you, and to ensure nothing falls to the crack, and we give you the timely support as and when you run into any difficulties. Okay, as a company policy, 10% of our earning, it goes for various community causes. So apart from this business analysis and Agile Scrum, some of our other training tracks in no particular order are Agile Scrum Master, which is a 4-week of training, Android iOS development, big data, the visualization intelligence reporting tools like Power BI, Qlik, Tableau, Snowflake, Cloud DevOps, cybersecurity, front-end UI UX design development skills, Informatica data warehousing, Java full stack microservices, MuleSoft integration, .NET full stack, program project management, Python data science, robotics process automation, Salesforce administration, Salesforce development, and Workday human capital management. Last year, we also ventured into healthcare, pharmaceutical, engineering domain, and we also offer biostatistician, clinical trial, SaaS, validation, quality management courses. Okay. Most of these courses, they get consumed by corporate America. So all of these skills are pretty much high in demand. The Fortune 5000 clients in the USA requires these skills. Thus, there is a huge scope for each one of you for having that IT career. As I mentioned, we have various technology tracks, training tracks. Those which are functional training, like business analysis and Scrum, they will range between 6 weeks to 8 weeks. And then we have some training tracks which are more programming and which are more difficult in terms of learning. They will run into 12 weeks onwards. So this particular training track is about 8 weeks. It comprises during weekdays, late in the evening, pretty much the same time, around 9 o'clock Eastern time, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, or Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. One day for you to digest the previous track, for do some homework and prepare yourself. Okay. As I said, this is our top 3, one of the top 3 popular course. We have hundreds of training videos. Be like a kid in a candy shop. Gobble up as many training videos as you can as a part of learning, as a part of preparation. And let me also tell you, all these things comes to you for free. Okay. So if you're looking not only to take training, but looking to secure a job and looking to work on a job through us on a Guru Schools Engaged projects, all the 6 pillars, including the training, becomes free to you. It's our way of giving it back to corporate America by investing in people, thereby to reduce unemployment. We're also product partner for few product companies. So in case you're looking for some certification, whether it's in business analysis or Scrum or Salesforce and many certain things, needless to say, we will help you towards getting certified also. That's a feather in your hat that also helps you look good. Okay. Here, we also work with many micro, small businesses, local businesses, doctor's office associations in managing their website design, development, business analysis, project management, quality testing. And some of this, if not all of this, becomes a project for you as a part of learning. So that helps you to get that real-time hands-on experience. Okay, these are difficult times. Last year and a half, all of us are living in the COVID-19 pandemic. It's a global recession, millions of job losses, not only in the USA, but across the globe. One has to do their level best to stay positive. And some of us who are in a position must help as many people as we can towards reducing the unemployment. I also strongly believe in every adversity comes the opportunity. So let's look at the positive side of this pandemic. It taught not only the corporate America, but the whole world that everything can be done remote. Okay, so in light of the tight budgets, in light of those reduced bill rates, in light of the remote working, the corporate America as well as the hiring managers are looking for qualified, reasonable resources who can work within their reduced budget remotely. Which means for many of you who are seeking to start or restart your career, it's a golden opportunity. And let me assure you, with the help of the Guru School's 6-pillar offering, from beginning to the end, towards the finishing line, and also after reaching the finish line also for the first 6 months of your project, we stand with you shoulder to shoulder. As I mentioned, we are unique. One of the ways we are unique is we are not merely limiting ourselves towards giving some training videos and making money on you. That's not the intent here for making the quick bucks. Here at Guru Schools, we are engaging with you from the start to finish line. We are more focused towards providing you and enabling you to have a career-guided employment, which will help you make that 6-figure. Okay. So in today's session, I see a good number of you have joined. As I said, this is our first introductory overview session. Now, what do you expect? It's like a movie trailer. It's a teaser. What you will be taught over the next 8 weeks, we will try to cover in the next 1 hour max. It gives you a good overview and an opportunity to understand the nitty-gritty of business analysis and Agile Scrum in general as a training. What's the opportunity? How many requirements? How much does the job pays? And whether it has a career. It will also give you an opportunity to have a question and answer session with the trainers. I suggest you to please reserve your questions until the trainers finishes their training. Once we come to the tail end of the session, we will open the floor to have the questions and answers. Those who have to leave early or those who cannot sit throughout this presentation, you can always send us an email at training@guruschools.com or by subscribing us on our YouTube page, LinkedIn page, and Facebook page. You will find a recorded copy of this video. Okay, so I request you again to subscribe us on our professional platform so that you get hundreds of such videos which will help you towards that learning. So for today's our subject matter experts, we have Prerna and Gaurav. We make sure that there is a gender inclusion. We make sure that there are at least 2 trainers for every track, because it's a commitment. For the next 2 months or 3 months, these trainers will stay with you. And as we all know, that it's a long period of time, hence we have 2 trainers. Okay, both of these people have worked on a global projects in different domain and in different capacity, whether it's a business analysis, quality management, agile scrum, or project management. Because both of them are working professional, they have a good blend of IT training as well as working in corporate IT in a global environment. This will help you a lot to ensure you get a good blend of theory and practical. So without doing any further ado, I would like to welcome Prerna and Gaurav, and thank you all for listening. All yours.
Thank you so much, Devji, for this introduction. A warm welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for investing your time and attention into this session. It's definitely worthwhile. Let me start with a little background from my side. My name is Prerna K. I have around more than 13 years of total experience, IT experience. I am an graduated from my university into completed my MCA, Masters of Computer Applications, and after that, I have been part of many IT companies like Accenture, L&T, Infotech. You name it. I have worked in different domains like banking, mutual funds, audit, advertising. So currently, I am serving into a very good banking, IT firm, and I'm working there as a PMO as well as technical project manager. So having a good blend of development as well as project management, a resource management. So here, we take that as an opportunity to deliver our experience, share our, hands-on personal experience and vast exposure to IT as well as banking. I have catered to a lot of different clients, Indian and MNCs, international. So, you will be definitely in good hands from the experience as well as exposure point of view. That's it from my side. I'll hand over to Gaurav. Gaurav, please. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Prerna ji. And thank you so much for explaining about you. So I also welcome everyone out over here. If you are listening to me, if you are very well connected to this slide and what we are going to talk about, our total experience of 29 years experience, how you are going to get benefited through it, along with our introduction, you can just type I into the chat window so that I'll understand you are connected and you are listening to me. So I'll encourage you, everyone out here, just type I. Thank you so much for your responses, guys. And so hello everyone, this is Gaurav. I come from last 16 years of experience into corporate and into IT. I started my career as QA and upskill till PMO. I'm closely currently working with PMO. I have worked in various domains, banking, finance, investment, and all. It includes at tech and fintech as well. Traveled more than 8 countries, and I'm certified from PMI, CSM, Scrum studies as well. So I have total 16 years of experience, but not only the experience, we also make sure that whatever you are learning from a verified trainers, and that's why from where Prerna and Gaurav myself are coming from. So yeah, so having said that, the entire certification you can see over here are labeled beside my name, and the total years of experience and the different countries where I have traveled so far includes New Zealand, Bangkok, Colombia, Cape Town, Johannesburg, and Sydney and Melbourne. So yeah, so this is just a summary about me. And also, if you have to make sure that you are learning from a verified customer, you can also Google me out over there for my training and coaching things. That you can Google with hashtag with Kumar Gaurav without any spaces. And since I have shared so far over here, I want you to remain excited, because in few minutes, what you are going to learn, that may simply open your mind and you will feel totally mind open. If you have understood what I have shared just now, that you are going to experience mind opening. So just type into chat window MO, and I am flipping to the next slide. So thank you so much for typing in. Thank you. So here what you see, this is the international review system Trustpilot, where we as a trainer have received 5 stars rating from our students. Okay, so the recent students you can see over here are from of course USA, Canada, how they have rated us. So this is level of training you experience yourself 5 star. If you have understood what you are going to get experience while before you are getting placed, that is 5 star experience. So if you have understood, just type in the chat window 5 star, 5 and asterisk symbol, if you want to and you are ready to experience the same. Thank you so much for your response once again. And before I get into what exactly is coming in front of you in next 8 weeks, let me share the agile industry stats. So what you are seeing over here, that's the latest review by Harvard University. And this is showing up here from year-on-year basis, how, agile and BA jobs has been evolved in terms of giving revenue to the USA market. Up to 2017, it has reached to $1,100 US million. And what you are seeing over here, that's the simple snip from dice.com, where it is talking about the availability of jobs, that is BA agile jobs available. Can you see over here how many positions it is taking? Just it has been taken up I think few months ago. It is ranging from 1 to 33,000 jobs available for you, and you are alone. You are just seeking for only one job. If you are seeking for only one job, please type into the chat window 1 if you really need that one job what you're looking for. So thank you once again for your response. And what you hear, the salary range, how you can reach towards the 6-figure, and that's our intent. Why intent is important? Because just before ideation, intent backs and forces towards the implementation, and that's what exactly everyone is seeking today. And it is talking that alone from US, the average pay scale of more than 77,000, and adding some additional averages, how it reaches to the 6-figure salary, that we have taken one snip from one of the website that we are showing over here in the PowerPoint slide. And how the agile jobs has grown on the different platform. This is you can see the snip from Google itself and also from LinkedIn. You can see when I start searching the available jobs right now, what exactly people are just wondering, that how exactly I can attract one single job for myself, and they are just seeking for the ways and the path to follow to get placed. So path to place. So that's the keyword over here. Please type in the chat window if you understood what I'm talking about. This is PTP. You need to type in, it means path to place. So that's what you are looking for. Thank you so much for your responses. And what you are seeing over here now, this is the data which I'm sharing you just from LinkedIn. Few months ago, when I was searching, what I found, that alone for agile jobs in the US market, you see, is ranging more than 100,000, it's more than 100,000, in fact more than 150,000. You can see the number highlighted and underlined over here is it was just a 165 148 result, 165 148 result. So this is really huge when we were talking about just getting you placed with only one job. Thank you so much, by the way, your response, you are chatting so far and getting you are interacting with us. This is again one snip from payscale.com, which is talking about six-figure salary, which we were talking about the salary range in agile software development. So this is what exactly we are intending to attract in your life with your commitment. If you are committed and you are really serious and looking for it, I'm going to open up in the next slide two important things which you need to know and what exactly HR are looking into you as an agile scrum candidate. So this is the 4 trends transforming the entire workplace today, and people are not only looking for some technical and technology oriented people. Today the industry is more looking towards you are holding at least 91% of soft skills, and this is what all this this bar chart is giving you that what exactly HRs are looking for. Okay, and what you see here that what agile recruitments require for this, and this says that 92% say soft skills matter as much or more than hard skills, and that's where agile is. Agile is the ground for you, and business analysis becomes the backbone for you, and that's why we are blending both the track together to give you, because once you are aware of and getting the expertise in one of the track, you are ready to get enabled by another track. So that's the reason, and 80% say soft skill are increasingly important to company success, and that's what, since company is looking for, what we bring in front of you, the 3 secrets of agile. So it's not only intro here, you are going to learn as well. Before it ends, you are getting the amazing clarity. If you are really looking for the clarity, please type into the chat window C for the clarity, because clarity creates and curates the path what exactly you're looking for. Thank you so much for your responses. So what exactly it shows over here, it shows the 3 secret of agility. So in agile world today, people are looking only 3 things. And when we are talking about agile being a playground that you see at the center, that's the exactly ground, and it is covered, and it is covered by 3 important segments, which is about mindset, intent, and soft skills. So we not only train you towards agility and BA, we make sure you are getting that robust mindset as well as intent to move further, and entire soft skills are getting covered the moment you cover your 8 weeks. Are you understanding that? Please type into the chat window 8 if you have understood. These are the 3 secrets. These 3 secrets are never opened in the market for candidates, because they are just making things complex. And you know what, the complexity, the complex, and say just making things complex are today's trend because it looks interesting. But here we understand to making this simplified, and when things are simplified, that becomes powerful, and we want you to experience that reward of power. Okay, if you are ready for this experience, please type into the chat window P as in power. Okay, thank you so much for your responses. And since I have talked about these are the 3 secrets which are going to get you placed successfully after completing this entire 6 pillars of Guru Schools, there are 9 whys I want to bring in front of you. Why exactly you need to join in as a BA Scrum? Why exactly BA Scrum? So if you have seen the promotion and all, you have understood that even though if you have a career gap, and despite any challenges inside the mind, you should be able to join this track, because we train you in that way so that you are ready to receive the offer, ready to receive RTR. You can type in chat window. That's the keyword. That's the buzzword you should be looking for. Okay, so this is the 9 strongest why I'm going to tell you, because this Be Agile Scrum liberates you from using a complex tools. So here you get the tool freedom. You don't need to encode the things. You don't need to type cumbersome codes and all, thousands of lines of coding and all. So you get the code freedom over here. Technicality you don't need to have. So excuse me, there was a mute, so I totally understand. So you get here code freedom, and you also get the entire technicality freedom. And why I'm emphasizing over here, because this is the easy to adapt technology. This is easy to follow and easy to apply. Do you require that level of easiness? Please type into the chat window E as in easiness. Thank you. Thank you so much for your response, by the way. And the last three elements, that last 9, stronger why is that if you need and thinking, if you are thinking to getting placed very fast, and if you are thriving to get placed quickly, and you are looking for some track, which are the quickest learning track, this is for you. Okay. And if you want to implement, and before that implementation you want also to experience, then this is the right track. Because the moment you get into this track, you start working in the project. This is not only the training backed by placement, this is the complete project for you, which we simply share with you. Okay, so on this note, I'm going to welcome Prerna ji to quickly brief you that what exactly in coming 8 weeks she is going to, and we both are going to share with you. So yeah, Prerna ji, so over to you if you are here. So please, you can chime in.
Thank you so much, Gaurav ji. Thank you so much. So yes, I know this can sound a little overwhelming, many things, and starting with the codes, but trust me, we have tried to simplify it to the maximum level. As you can see on the screen, we have a dedicated in detail 8 weeks of codes with each and every topic explained in detail. You must have seen the testimonies or the comments or reviews given by our earlier students about their experience. So here you can see we have around week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with detailed topics. We will go to them one by one. Let me start with week 1. So, as you must have seen, even if you are not directly, linked or connected to IT, whenever you see any news or when you see any of your friends or buddies, family members talking, agile is one word which is normally used. Gaurav, please go on. Yeah, in between. Yeah. So, in that case, agile has been very active and very I would say like a hot cake in the market. It's the thing that you would like to learn, and it is very easy to learn and implement. So we would give you an in detail knowledge about what is agility, how is agile works, what is agile and flexibility, what are the similarities and differences. And we will go through agile principles as they can be seen. There are wait a second, just go to principles. Yeah, so I just want to give you just a basic one liner. As you can see, things like early and continuous delivery, embrace change, frequent delivery, business and developer together, motivated individuals, face-to-face conversation, these are simple English sentences or words, and they are absolutely that easy to understand in real life, and with some practice very easy or comfortable to implement as well. So as we have focused earlier, there is no very technical, complicated, coding or programming involved. There is absolutely no chaos on that side. Even if you are a non-technical person, you come from earlier non-IT background, or you're a mere housemaker, or you want to switch from your earlier business to this industry, this is the track. This is the most rewarding, most enjoyable, and most easy to learn track, and definitely most easily getting placed track as well. So if you could see, simplicity, working software, technical excellence. These are all the principles, and these are all the very easy to learn principles and very easy to learn concepts in our overall BA Agile Scrum track. Yes, Gaurav. Oh, next slide, please. So here there are many agile frameworks. In our training course, we focus on Scrum because Scrum is very widely used. But apart from that, there are Kanban, Lean, XP, PP, and SAFe. These are different frameworks by which we can use the agile methodology.
I think you're talking on mute. You will have to unmute
Yeah,
yourself.
I'm sorry. I was on mute. Yeah. Yeah. Will you please go to the next slide? Or
Yeah,
you want to add something on this slide, please, if you want to?
no, continue.
Yes. Okay. So now this is a very interesting and very simplistic slide. Personally find and like. If you see the best practices part, there are values, principles which will be teaching you, which you'll be understanding, grasping, revising. But apart from that, if you see, if you could work with other people on daily basis with coordination, with mutual support, with cohesion, with a balanced team, team member spirit, or what do you say, and with proper communication and coordination, and then you're good to go. And I think these are the basic life skills, as a human being, as a social animal, we said, when we deal with other people, we need to have good and clear communication. That doesn't mean you have to use very high jargons or stuff like that. No, your communication has to be very plain and clear. The other person should be able to understand, and you have to be cordial, and you have to work in a team. And I think we all have already done that in our earlier maybe job opportunities or even in a personal life. So there is nothing that is that has to be added to your personality or your experiences. You are already ready to get started, right? Because you all must have definitely decent to good communication skills, and otherwise we all are a team players. So yes, this is the track wherein you do not need to learn something else, like do some course to get you started to learn this. No, you're already good enough. You have all the necessary skills to get you started, and with our 8 weeks detailed training, you're good to go. You're good to get placed, and you'll start earning your salary within no time. And I think that's what our end goal is. So yes, Gaurav, next slide, please. So yes, we've seen agile principles, and these are really four. I always call them building blocks. Like these are the stepping stones or building blocks of agile, wherein we focus on. If you could read them, it states individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working softwares over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. I know right now while reading this, if you do not have that background, you must be feeling, oh, these sounds very simple. But trust me, if you compare with earlier methodologies like waterfall and spiral, these values are the core of agile. This is what these values are what makes agile so different, and it to makes it stand out and to makes it so workable and so effective. So yes, I definitely welcome you to learn this super interesting and super fascinating things which are actually very useful in your real life too. If you could implement them in on your personal life, day-to-day affairs, day-to-day course, you will definitely see a lot more positive and faster results. So yes, we would be teaching this also. And this is agile scrum in a detail, in a very simplistic and colorful picture format, wherein you see you have your team members like your product owner, your scrum master, your scrum team members, stakeholders. First of all, just a disclaimer, do not get a surprise or overwhelmed with this terminology. These are very simple, easy to understand, and very easy to teach terminologies and things. You will get to learn them. As of now, just as Devji had said, just take it as a trailer and try to understand. So herein, if you can see, there is a circular motion, how the sprint works and how the sprint works, how the scrum works. Here are the values. The values, again, as we can see, Gaurav, can you please, yeah, just stay on the slide, please. The courage, focus, commitment, respect, and openness. Yes. So these are the main values which are uh, generally followed everywhere, but these are the core of Scrum, because Scrum is generally a very tightly coupled team. They work very closely, so the trust, the commitment, respect, these are all essential part of it. And it's definitely an awesome work environment to work, wherein you are connected with everybody on, on a very detailed level. Your responses or your output is directly contributing to delivery, and it really makes you feel awesome when you work in such an environment. Yes, Gaurav, next slide, please. Yes. So there are different types of roles. Even if you're a BA, you can work in different roles. Like you can be a team member, you can be a Scrum Master, you can be a product owner, you can be a BA at the development team. I'll just share an interesting part. I'll just share an interesting thing. If you think that team here states development team, but you know what's the inside thing? This development team has everybody in it. There are developers, there are QAs, there are BAs, there are subject matter experts. So the terminology given is development team, but then the team comprises of everybody. They have many variety of people from different background, different skills, and it's a great fusion to have in your team. Yes, thank you so much, Gaurav. Next slide, please. Okay, so basically, what is Scrum? How Scrum works? So Scrum is an event, or is it a process? It's a framework. So all these mysteries and questions will be resolved in our sessions, wherein we will explain you what are all the developed different terminologies, different ceremonies. You can see the word, it's so beautifully mentioned as Scrum ceremonies. It's like you celebrate each and every event. So just like that, you have release planning event, you have sprint planning event, you have daily Scrum meetings, you have sprint reviews, you have sprint retrospective. So what happens when you teach a small kid or a child how to study? You have to observe them, daily talk with them, have a dedicated time for them. On the similar, in the similar fashion, when you work in Scrum, you have your daily meetings, you talk to the team frequently, there is a lot of communication and coordination. So all the things which we already know in your personal life, you might be even implementing them in your family and friends. You are going to learn them professionally, and you can see how it makes a difference. Yes, Gaurav, next slide. So yes, again, if you could see how the sprint goes planning wise, what are the inputs, how this sprint planning works, and what are the outputs. So inputs can be whatever things you want to work on, your action items, your additional work requirement given by the customers. What is the capacity of your team? So now you can see the team looking so cute in this tiny emoticons types, tiny images. So these are the teams with different skills. If you can see, someone is having a pencil, someone is having book, and someone is having some other skills. So all these people from different skills background, highly skilled in their areas, work together to achieve one common goal, that is your delivery, your sprint goal. And right now, here, our goal is to get you placed in a very good company with a very good paycheck, getting and learning so many things with great exposure. So that's what the goal is. And here, if you could see just a flow of work and how sprint backlogs are taken, how the tasks are taken as per the priority, how the user stories. See, these are all new terminologies might be for you as of now, but when we take them step by step in our weekly approach, things just fall into place. Everything comes very naturally. So best practices of sprint planning. So these are again some highlights for you, that yes, time passes faster than we think. Absolutely. So whenever we are in a session, whenever we are working, whenever we are really tied up, we just don't see the time, we just see, oh, it was like 2 hours before we started and now it's gone, and we have invested so much into it. So it's similar to working in sprint. Time is the most crucial factor. We have a lot of meetings for sprint planning and a lot of other events, and then yes, get set, go, you're ready to go ahead. So as we mentioned earlier, there are different type of teams, and there are different types of events. So yes, you have your scrum team, your development team, your daily scrum. So how they are conducted, who are responsible, all that will be taken care of in the training and will be explained how to handle that, how to conduct such events. So yes, next team. Okay, so this is an interesting and very easy to understand image wherein we say we have to go deep, that is detailed, appropriately estimated, emergent, and prioritized. So every word holds an importance. It have to dig deep, you have to analyze deep, you have to have a proper estimation of your work, you have to prioritize as per the emergencies, as per the customer asks. So if you see, even in your personal life, you work on these patterns, right? Now, going to agile planning and estimation, if you see, we have your starting with your daily plan, we go to your iteration plan, we go to release plan, product roadmap, and project vision. It does sound like a lot of work, but then when you go step by step, it's very easy, it is very natural. It's like you start with your 1 day, you go to your further plans, and ultimately you achieve your project or your final goal. Yes, next slide, please. Okay, now we have very interesting workshops. They are super encouraging. They are super fun. They are, and then we keep having some variations into it. I'll invite Gaurav to share details on this. Gaurav, over to you, please.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you so much, Prerna ji. So we don't only believe in, giving you the theoretical knowledge. We believe in giving you experiences. Why experiences? Because the moment you experience the stuff, what is going to happen? You are ready to implement, because who are master? So implementers are the master. That's the key. And that's why to become the implementer and become the master, you need to experience these workshops that you learn in the upcoming weeks. So in the upcoming weeks, there are not only one workshop that you are going to experience. I believe that you need to master, and master requires repetition, and to repeat it, you need to have more than workshop, right? If you understood, please type into the chat window WU means well understood. Thank you so much. So I'm moving further and will tell you. Thank you so much for your responses. You will also learn what kind of organizing team, or what kind of a team you need to be when you are working in agile, and these streams are called as self-organizing or cross-functional team. Not only over there, it's not the end, because we are talking about things making simple. As things making simple is TMS, that you can type into the chat window. If you are feeling connected over here, that's what you are going to experience, that right? We will be giving you also about the scaled up formula, that how agile has been scaling up, because that's from where things will be moving towards you to understand, and towards you ready to play in the agile scrum world, or agile BA world, where you actually wanted. Not only that, things like certification and also will come to you. We will be also moving further into the detailed track towards the business analysis. Things are very simple, easy to understand. You will understand that what all the tools are there, what all advanced tools are there, starting from its introduction. As we told you that it will range from 6 weeks to 8 weeks of program. 6 to 8, please type into chat window 6 to 8 is 6 to 8. That's what you are going to remember, because within 6 to 8 you are going to get ready, your project is going to get ready, and so that you will be ready to get placed. Okay, And what in further coming weeks you are going to learn, you are going to learn all the advanced level, because we are helping you to grow gradually towards advancement. Grow gradually towards advancement is GGA. GGA is the keyword, is the abbreviation from growing gradually towards advancement. Thank you so much for typing in, and in the chat box. That's what you are going to experience in the upcoming weeks with the advancement, and you will be also experiencing the advanced BA models, and this will continue till the last week until you feel, because at the last week, what else is going to happen? So we are not just giving you and leaving you with the training. That is only RRRP session, which should be the parallel progress, which is also called as a reference ready resume preparation. We believe in that your resume has to stand out. We support you with the vendor interview preparation, mock interview, and end client interview preparation as well. And at the end also, you are get rewarded with the certificate of course completion. Not only that, why we are just telling you to start taking decision towards your career, because you can delay, and delay is the decode. Delay denotes diversion, but decision designs the destination. So let me repeat that. Delay decodes the diversion, but decision designs the destination. It's a DDD, or you can just type into chat window D3 if you have understood and it has gone deep to you. And that's why we encourage you to, in your life, you can take the decisions. Thank you so much for this. And on this note, I want to answer a few of questions. And for those questions, there are a few FAQs. So like when training is starting and all the entire things, like let me tell you, the moment we come with a lot of bonuses. Not only we are going to answer your few questions, but before that, we believe in giving a lot of gifts. Whatever we are giving, only training, then interview preparation and all those things, that will be coming to you by default. But in bonus, you will be going to experience a lot of gift on your way, and that those things are rewarded to you from trainers end. So even though we are giving you training, we are giving you support, we are giving you resume ready preparation, I understand that a lot of questions there would be in your mind. So we are going to definitely answer them. So on this note, since we are done helping you to go through the entire program from 6 to 8 weeks, what exactly you are going to experience, how easy and cool it is going to be for you, and this is complete hand holding support you are going to experience towards getting placed. That's the end goal. So yeah, so on this note, I just want to welcome Devji once again, and in case you have any question, you can simply ask that. So Devji, over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you, Prerna. Thank you all for listening. We will open the floor. Now, these are the FAQs. Okay, we have over 20 different technology tracks. We do introductory session practically every month for different technology track. So throughout the year, we are having these introductory sessions for various technologies. Needless to say, people like you, they join in and they ask us questions. What you see on a screen, these questions, is the frequently asked questions. Now, having said that, we will take these questions. I'll try to answer from our side the best we can. If you have any additional questions, don't be a stranger. You can unmute yourself. You can ask us now, or if you're hesitant in asking, you can always write that question in a chat note and we will take your question. So basically the first question, this is the most frequently asked question: when does the training will start? So the minimum quorum of the students we require is about 3. Once we have 3 enrollments, we start the training track. Most of the time, we always get 3, 4. The training, this business analysis scrum, we already have, I think, 3 enrollments. So we started this few days ago. But some of you also requested to host this session. So that's where Gaurav Prerna hosts this session. So if you're looking for learning and to make a 6-figure during this pandemic, to have a remote job, this is a great opportunity, and using our 6 pillars, you can. Typically, once we get at least 3 enrollment, we start the batch. For this particular training batch, we just started a few days ago, so it's in motion. If you are seeking, you must enroll, you must complete the enrollment process, and then you will be plugged in to the business analysis Scrum focused group. Second question, along with this training, will you also guide help towards certification? You are getting a diploma certificate from Guru Schools, which will state you completed, the business analysis and agile Scrum training. If you are looking for any particular extra certification, our trainers can always guide you. The intent here is not to give you a paper certification. The intent here is to ensure you make a 6-figure. So whatever it takes for you to get a job, secure a job, and keep the job, we will help you through. Third question is, will you also help us towards market our resume and get a job? The answer is yes. As this is a rigged system, I scratch your back, you scratch mine. The vendors, you need to be an approved vendor. We have the minority status as an agency. We have a formal offering of hiring women in STEM meaning science and technology, hiring locals. We are being vendor for 10, 15, 18, 20, 22 years. We have access to the job portal. We get requirements day in, day out. Right? So getting you multiple interviews or a job is a red carpet walking. What is key is to help you keep sustain in that job, and that which you do it with the help of the trainer. So the answer is yes. On an average, we make thousands of dollars of investment in you, whether it is the training course, whether it is the rewarding diploma certificate or helping you get certified, whether it is helping you prepare a reference ready resume preparation, whether it is helping you clear the vendor interview, whether it is to helping you clear the client interview, or whether it is to help you stay on a job for the first 6 months. There is a cost. Nothing is free. Now, who is fronting the money? Needless to say, Guru School is investing in you on your behalf. We have the army of trainers, we have the army of recruiters, sales, marketing, and the back office team. And we have to feed them every month. And needless to say, as you start working and as you start making money on our projects, we start recouping and recovering the investment which we have done on you. And that investment is pretty substantial, anywhere between 8,000 to 15,000, depending upon the training track. Okay, from A to Z, all 6 pillars, if you combine them together. Many of you have tried it and you know how expensive it can be, whether it is to get project support for every month for 6 months or any of these things. Okay, so unless you make money, we lose money. So we are more eager and we are more proactive and aggressive towards helping you get a job. But end of the day, we cannot force you. It has to come within in you. Unless you are motivated and unless you need a job, we cannot help you. Okay, so it's you, it's your career aspirations, and it's your career. If you're willing to give 100%, we will take you to the finish line. Okay, next question is, will you also help us towards giving project support? Well, we all need project support. Otherwise, you cannot do the job right. Whether it's in initial crawling or walking or talking or running, bicycling, motorbiking, swimming, cooking, you always needed that help. Okay, so we understand for many of you, it will be the first time getting into IT or re-entering into IT career. And you need that nudge, you need that hand-holding. And that's where we have a strong practice. Every year we train and place about 40 to 50 people in business analysis Scrum. And this is a combo track. It's not a single track. In these 8 weeks, you will be taught business analysis as well as agile Scrum. So, you can be a Scrum Master, or you can be a business analyst, or you can be a business analyst plus Scrum Master. Having dual skills also helps you strengthen your position and keep that position. Okay. Gaurav, can you take me that screen, please, of the FAQs? Thank you. So how many trainers you have for giving the training, support and all? So we have 4 trainers, 2 lead trainers and 2 supplementary trainers. So for this particular training, you're talking to these 2 trainers, Gaurav and Prerna. These, our 2 lead trainers will be doing the training as well as support. Needless to say, as the volume increases or sometimes they have some other priorities, we have other backup trainers. This chimes in and they will guide you through. This is our top 3 practice. Okay, so nothing falls to the crack. Everything gets properly dealt with. Okay. Are these going to be virtual sessions and will they be recorded? Yes, this will be through Zoom sessions like what we are doing now, all recorded sessions. This is not for the first time we are doing the training. Okay, as I said, this is our top 3 popular training course. We have hundreds of training videos. Depending upon how hungry you are, depending upon how eager you are, be like that kid in a candy shop. That child wants to eat all the candies. Okay, so you can access any of the prior training videos as many times as you can. Rather than just warming the chair and idling, you learn, you revise, you practice as many videos as you can of that particular tracks. Because as I said, every year, we at least have 5 training tracks every year. Okay, assuming 8 to 12 candidates in a batch, that's about 40 to 60 people we train and place every year. So you have that repository. Needless to say, every class differs depending upon the candidate engagement, but 80–90% will be the same topic. And every session and every batch, we try to improve on some of the training areas, and practice makes you perfect. So yes, all instructor-led interactive sessions. These are not some recorded sessions you're getting into. A lot of exercise will be given, a lot of interactions will be happening between you and the trainers. And in case you miss a session, 1 or 2 sessions here and there because of the other commitments, these are all recorded, you can always fall back in. Okay, will there be any additional practice sessions and preparatory sessions for certification? Yes. Only mere training will not help you get a job. Only attending this training you will not get a job. There are multiple sessions, hundreds of sessions happening parallelly. Every Tuesday, every Thursday, 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. Eastern time, we have sessions, whether it is your resume preparatory session, whether it is your reference ready candidature sessions, whether it is your LinkedIn makeover session, whether it is the vendor interview preparatory session, whether it is your candidate interview preparatory session, whether it is the rate negotiation session, whether it's an escalation management session, whether it's a session with the sales team to take a recap on your resume marketing efforts. The whole 9 yards, there is a slew of extra sessions happening. And again, it's up to you how many of these sessions you want to attend. Needless to say, the more proactive you are, the more sessions you attend to, the better are the odds of you getting placed in a quickest turnaround time. Okay. Otherwise, yes, we all can believe in miracles. We all can believe in magic wand. But I strongly suggest to be proactive and be participative unless you're writing $1 million check or unless you're having a healthcare emergency. Avoid missing a session, whether it's your training session or whether it's a resume preparatory and a vendor interview, client interview preparatory session. All communication flows in that group. All of you will be part of a very focused, engaged groups. And all you need to do is show up. Ahead of time, it will be posted, the links will be given, the dates and times are announced. Will there be practice sessions for certification? Well, needless to say, the focus is on getting a job, not on mere training or just certification. So all of you should be here for one thing, which is like yesterday, help me get a job and help me keep that job. Towards which, whatever it takes, we will help you. Okay, will you help me towards preparing interview and find a job? Yes. Does it require any programming experience as a mandatory requirement? For business analysis and Scrum, these are fully functional skills. Needless to say, if you know any programming skills or knowledge whatsoever, it always helps, right? Any prior knowledge into IT programming is a huge plus. Having said that, if you don't know P of programming, you can still make 100,000 learning business analysis and Scrum. Can we get a remote working job? Well, it's a pandemic time. Okay, so last year, most of this year, it's all remote working. As I said, every year we place between 200 to 240 people we train and place. All of them are working remote. So we can thank China, or that's all courtesy to pandemic. It's a great opportunity to kickstart your career, because from home, it's very easy to coordinate with the trainers and seek their help towards mitigating some of the challenges which will come when you're working on your project. And you're at your comfort. Okay, there are so many other training institutes charging a lot of money. Why this is free? Well, this is free for you, provided you are willing to work on us on our project. So that's a catch. This is $8,000, $10,000, $12,000 we are investing in you for a simple reason. We are giving you projects. We are making you market ready. We are becoming your employer. Reason being, you will be working on our projects, right? And as you work on our projects, as you make money, we make money. So we will recover the money. Reason being, these are very expensive otherwise. You will see very few agencies which is more focused on placement. You will see more than 90% of the companies you talk to, they are merely charging you some money, throwing some videos, and they're gone. I request you, suggest you to do the due diligence on your side. Ask them, how will you help me get a job? Have you placed people? Look them up on their website. Don't go by what they talk. Try to understand whether they can walk the talk. Look at their company's LinkedIn page. See how many employees they have. Look at their website. See if they have an offering on business analysis and Scrum. See as an employee how many employees they have working with them as a business analyst and Scrum. In public domain now, these days, you have all this information. See how much time and how much efforts they're investing in you. And if the answer is yes, if they are putting their best foot forward and engaging with you, then you can make that calculated decision accordingly. Okay. Finally, Jana Seva is Ishwar Seva. We understand, especially for ladies, for those who have been, do not have a career, do not have the skills, and then to spend $8,000, $10,000, $12,000. The thought of spending that 10 grand makes you unemployed throughout the life. Many of you need that small nudge, that small push, and that support in order to have a career. Nobody learns in mother's womb. Given an opportunity, we all can learn, we all can hit a home run. The problem is there is a barrier to entry. And one of the biggest challenge of barrier to entry is that huge expense upfront. You're paying someone for training, you're paying someone for certification, you're paying someone to writing your resume, you're paying someone for preparing you for the vendor interview, you're paying someone for preparing someone for client interview, and then you're paying someone for your monthly project support. And here the right hand doesn't know what the left hand is doing. So there is no optimal synergy. There is no cohesive efforts flowing through. So everywhere you're applying the brakes. Whereas with Guru Schools, from your enrollment till your placement, you are with the same set of people. You all will be having one dedicated human resource person that he or she is like your mother. They will make sure all of your questions will be answered in a timely fashion. And upon enrolling, you will have the trainers. That too, gender inclusion, male as well as female. Okay, they will stay with you during training, during resume preparation, during vendor interview preparation, client interview preparation, and project support. All of you will be part of the focus group so that nothing falls to the crack. So basically, you play to win. Needless to say, end of the day, it's not the trainer, it's not the sales marketing team, it's not the back office team, it is you who needs the job. Okay, crying baby gets the milk. So the more proactive you are, the more persistent you are, the more quicker you will get a job. All right. Last question, we'll get our deposit back once we get a job through Guru Schools. The modus operandi is whatever course you decide, you start with a $500 refundable deposit. By definition, deposit is meant to be refunded, subject to two preconditions. One, you must complete your training. Second, you must work on Guru School project for a minimum of 3-month-long contract duration. If you fulfill these two conditions, I am investing $8,000 to $10,000 for each one of you. Choice is yours. Okay. As I said, it's too expensive because of the barrier to entry in terms of financial cost. So we're making it easy for most of you. But at the end of the day, it's your career and it's up to you to take that decision. Many of you will spend more time for doing grocery shopping, but will not invest more time thinking and planning about your career. That's a sorry state of affair. So the kind of money and the kind of time which we invest in exploring, watching a new movie or doing shopping and all, also invest more time planning for your career. And I request again, do your due diligence. Ask that agency, can you place me and how can you place me? And show me how many people have you placed me. And irrespective of what they talk, judge them by going through whether it's a LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, their website, and then they make the balanced decision. Okay. Anybody else have any questions apart from these FAQs? If no questions, then I thank you sincerely for investing your time. A recorded copy will be made available to you. This is the way you can get in touch with us, training at Guru Schools or the websites. All of these are recordings are made available to you, the training work, the homework, everything. Are you here for making some notes or are you here to getting a job? So well, so if you're here for getting a job, we will make sure you get a job. Okay. So in light of the time constraints and all, I thank you again for all of you to join. Please take a look at these websites listed. We have a candidate career counseling group. Okay, it's a WhatsApp group. So if you have any questions, if you want to attend our career counseling session every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 12 noon Eastern time, we have a candidate career counseling session. So I welcome the opportunity for those of you who wants to know more. You may send an email at training@guruschools.com and we will send you the information for that career counseling session. It's a virtual session where the trainers will also virtually meet you along with the counselors. Okay, so thank you again. Thanks Prerna and Gaurav for investing your time. Enjoy rest of the evening and good night to you all.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.